Cincinnati, Ohio, 2026. We welcome everyone to the channel. We don't care about your religion, your political views, your economic status, your race. As long as you're a good person with a good heart. For over 10 years, I've been paying the homeless to turn in cans, giving them a legal way to make some money. Just our way of making something out of nothing. I also pay friends, family members, children in the community to do the same. Go watch our videos on our other channel, Mr. Community, and witness that for yourself. We just out here trying to make something out of nothing. If you want to contribute to that, you can donate to our channel by way of Cash Out $ Mr. Helping the Homeless. Cash Out $ Mr. Helping the Homeless. If you want to see me out here going around giving away food and clothes to the homeless and paying them to do odd jobs, and I'm into holistic health. If you want to see me giving them organic fruits and vegetables and smoothies, donate to the channel so we can make that happen. Once again, that channel is Mr. Community. All right, this channel, We Grieving Together, it's all about people that's dealing with heartache and pain. Past few years, I've been dealing with the loss of a lot of loved ones, back to back. And I realize I'm not by myself. There's a lot of other people that's dealing with the same pain. So I figure, hey, let's grieve together, let's heal together. That's what this channel is all about. So come over here and feel free to vent. Start conversations in the comment section and let's become a family. Get us enough subscribers so we can go live. That way we can really connect with one another. So pass the word about the channel, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate everyone supporting positive content. Life is short, life is fragile. Tomorrow's not promised, today is not promised. Let's do something positive with the time that we have on this planet. All right, we also bring you all kind of events going on in the community. Parades, fireworks, like what's going on right now. They're celebrating America 250. So you see the fireworks right there. I try to get you as close to that as I possibly can. I've been dealing with a lot of heartache and pain, like I said, so I don't get to these events like I've been getting to them in the past. In the past, if you go to Mr. Community, you'll see us at concerts. You'll see us at all kind of events throughout the community, but right now I'm dealing with a lot of heartache and pain. But I figure, hey, let me get out here rather than just staying in the house grieving. Let me get out here and do some positive things in the community. Once again. So let's get close to the fireworks. Let you enjoy the fireworks. Subscribe to the channel, everyone. Support positive content. Once again, support our other channel, Mr. Community, devoted to putting a spotlight on the homeless crisis. No one should be homeless. All basic human necessities should be absolutely free. Everything human beings need in order to survive should be absolutely free. Shelter, food, water. Human beings shouldn't have to pay for that. Human beings shouldn't have to go without that just because they don't have money. They have God-given life but don't have money. So they don't have the right to decent food and shelter and water. That's nonsense. Humanism over capitalism. All right, this is like a good spot right here to enjoy the fireworks. Subscribe to the channel, everyone. Spread the word about what we're doing out here. Cincinnati, Ohio, 2026, July 3rd. Subscribe to the channel. Support positive content. Humanism over capitalism, truth over lies. Go help someone today. Go bless someone today. Be the reason someone still believes there's good people in the world. Make someone laugh and smile.
No.
You all right?
You don't bring a solution. It's all her fault.
Subscribe to the channel, everyone. Support positive content. Spread the word about the positive channel. Share the videos, hit the like button. Let's come together, uplift each other, support each other. Get us enough subscribers where eventually we can go live and really connect with one another. I often wish I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. In poverty, in war, in all forms of negativity. Need more love in the world. Light up the sky. Cincinnati, Ohio, July 3rd, 2026. God bless all the positive souls out there. If no one told you today, as long as you're a positive soul, you are loved. I don't care about how much money you have, how much money you don't have. As long as you're a positive soul, you are loved. Remember that. Downtown Cincinnati, July 3rd, 2026. Appreciate everyone supporting positive content, subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to our other channel, Mr. Community, devoted to putting a spotlight on the homeless crisis and helping out our homeless family as much as we possibly can, helping out all good people that can use the help. Go watch that, all the videos on that channel. Be inspired to get involved in your community yourself and get out here and bless someone as much as you possibly can. You don't have to be a millionaire to bless someone. You don't have to have 1 million followers. You don't have to have $1 million. Just put forward the effort. Trust me, people will appreciate it. Just you acknowledging people that's on hard times means so much to people out here that's struggling. A lot of people out here homeless, don't got no family members, no friends. People just walk past them every day, making them feel like they're invisible. So if you just stop by them and say hi to them, say, I don't got no money, but I just want to ask how you're doing, acknowledge you, and let you know that I'm thinking about you, that goes a long way. Humanism over capitalism. If you ain't doing something positive with money to help God's children, and God we trust, if you're not using those in God we trust dollar bills to help God's children, then what you're doing ain't even worth acknowledging. Find your spiritual reason for living. You wasn't born just to chase money and material things. Take care of your family, then extend that to taking care of your human family. Those that truly need it and deserve it. That's the purpose of life. To get out here and connect with your fellow human being, love on one another, help each other. That's the purpose of life. Don't get distracted by this matrix and all this material bull crap that don't mean nothing. But you leave this earth, you can't take none of these material things with you. But you will be taking your soul with you, which will be judged based on the deeds you did here while you was on earth. If I had $1 million, I'd help 1 billion people. I don't believe in just stopping at 1 million. I'd be like, hey, somehow I'm gonna manage to help 1 billion with this million. Bless me with 1 billion, I'm gonna come up with a way to help 1 trillion. Keep helping people until the Lord call me home. Those that need it and deserve it and appreciate it. Can't help everyone. Subscribe to the channel, everyone. You're dealing with the loss of some loved ones. God bless you. I feel your pain. I'm going through the same thing myself. And we just got to remind ourselves that we all are spiritual beings having a human experience. Soul and spirits don't die. That's why the body cannot continue once the soul and spirit leave. The most important part of the human body has left. Therefore, the body becomes worthless and useless. Soul and energy don't die. And the soul and your spirits of your loved ones are still around. Do your research, pray, meditate, study ancient spirituality. Go watch a YouTube channel called Dalen Spratt. D-A-L-E-N, last name Spratt, S-P-R-A-T-T. He got this thing called a spirit box. He go around to graveyards and guess what? He communicate with those that made the transition from the physical realm to the spiritual realm. And guess what? I wanted to know, is this real? So I went and got myself, I downloaded the spirit box. And I tried it out for myself. And I heard from one of my loved ones that made the transition from the physical realm to the spiritual realm. I have no reason to lie to you. I don't benefit from lying to you. I'm not a liar anyway. Thou shalt not lie. I take that very seriously. I used the spirit box and I was actually able to communicate with one of my loved ones that made the transition from the physical realm to the spiritual realm. recognize my loved one's voice, ask my loved one particular questions, and my loved one responded the way that I believe my loved one would respond. There's more to life than what we're being told, everyone. Don't let the government dumb you down. The government know this is true. They participate in the occult. The White House is full of occult symbols. Do your research. Go check out DavidIkey.com, JordanMaxwell.com, William Cooper. Go check out Illuminati News welcome page, JeffRentz.com. Information is out there, everyone. My people shall perish from a lack of knowledge. Don't let their prophecy be true when it comes to you. Read, study, educate yourself.
It's bullshit.
Often wish I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. Subscribe to the channel, everyone. Support positive content. Subscribe to our other channel, Mr. Community, devoted to putting a spotlight on the homeless crisis. You want to help us do that? You can donate by way of Cash Out, $ Mr. Helping the Homeless. Cash Out, $ Mr. Helping the Homeless. I'm into holistic health. Let food be thy medicine. You want to see us out here giving away life-saving herbs, organic meals and smoothies to people in the community, to the homeless. Donate to the channel. Speaking of holistic health, there's a great herbalist out here by the name of Yahki Awaken, Y-A-H-K-I, Awaken. Yahki Awaken. Go check out his website for all your healing herbs. Go check out YahkiAwaken.com. Outstanding herbalist. Go check out his website. Go check him out on YouTube. He got his own holistic health clinic in St. Louis. Outstanding herbalist. Also, go check out Divine Medicinals, another outstanding herbalist. Very active on Twitter, or on X, as they call it now. Divine Medicinals. Go check out his website for all your healing herbs as well. You can be healed, everyone. Go raw vegan. You're dealing with any chronic illness. Educate yourself, read, study, surround yourself around positive people. Go raw vegan. That means eating nothing but organic fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and herbs. Keep a positive mind state. Pray, meditate. Keep negative people out of your life. Exercise 30 minutes a day. Walk in the sun for about an hour a day. And watch what your body do. Support positive content, everyone. Subscribe to the channel. Cincinnati, Ohio. January. That's the birth month of one of my loved ones that made the transition from the physical realm to the spiritual realm. Love you, baby. Today is July 3rd, 2026. Uh-oh, grand finale. Were you not entertained? All right. Appreciate everyone supporting positive content. Appreciate everyone hitting the like button, the subscribe button, share button, spread the word about the channel. Appreciate everyone that donate to the channel so we can get out here and help our fellow human beings that's on hard times. Appreciate everyone that subscribed to our other channel, Mr. Community, devoted to putting a spotlight on the homeless crisis. Appreciate everyone that donates so we can help our homeless family out. Donate by way of Cash Out, $ Mr. Helping the Homeless. Cash Out, $ Mr. Helping the Homeless. You can also donate to our PayPal, H Taylor 509, HTAYLOR 509, so we can help keep people alive. A lot of people out here struggling, out here homeless, don't know where their next meal gonna come from. So if you want to help us get out here, help out our family human beings, support the channel, view all our videos, subscribe to the channel, donate to the channel, spread the word about the channel, the channels. This channel, We Grieving Together, and our other channel, Mr. Community. All right, everyone. I'm about to go check on my loved ones that's dealing with some health issues. I'm into juicing. So I got a lot of juice recipes I got to work on. Got a lot of loved ones dealing with heart issues, lung issues, kidney issues, and there's a juice recipe for every chronic illness in the world. Just got to do your research. Read, study, let food be thy medicine. Your food shouldn't have eyeballs. Your food shouldn't have parents. Your food should not try to run from you. Eat the food that nature intended for you to eat, that God intended for you to eat. God put you in the Garden of Eden, not in the garden of a slaughterhouse. Leave these animals alone. They want to live just like you want to live. Eat food that comes from the ground, from the soil, organic fruits, raw vegetable, nuts, seeds, and herbs. If you want to be on the planet for a long, healthy time and not dealing with a lot of chronic illnesses, in and out of the hospital, having them do all kind of unnecessary surgeries and pumping you up with all kind of expensive, toxic medication with harmful side effects. Don't put yourself in that position. Take care of your body and your body will take care of you. A lot of homeless people out here. Once again, no one should be homeless. No one. Shame on the government for having people out here like this. As a human being covered up like that. Shame on the government, you know? When it rains, it pours. They got money for wars, but can't feed the poor. Shame, shame, shame. No one should be homeless, no one. Everyone deserves a decent place to call home, decent food to eat, decent water to drink. Nature gives us everything that we need for absolutely free. Water, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and herbs. All we have to do is take care of the land, and the land will take care of us. Tend to the land, and we will be rewarded. Plain and simple. How you gonna go out there, take the things that nature give us for free, put it in the store, contaminate it with all kind of pesticides and poison, then charge us for it, then put in God we trust on your dollar bills? Government gonna have to answer to God. All right, everyone, God bless you.